Hey guys, you're watching an easy tutorial on how to save your YouTube videos to your phone gallery. So let's just not waste time and begin.
Oh, another idiot. Even this idiot is gonna say us to download an app, and from that app you gotta download the vids.
No, you're wrong, Mr. Hen. In this video, I'm not gonna say you to download any stupid app and then that app is gonna download your vids. Just enjoy. So guys, let's begin this video. To download your YouTube videos to your camera roll gallery, you need a Chrome browser or any browser you like. It's there in your phone or computer. Then you need YouTube, obviously. Open YouTube, go to the search bar and type the video you like to download. I'm gonna download Despacito because I'm a great fan of Despacito. You can see in the three dot menu there's no option to like save the video. It's just share, add to playlist, and add to watch later. Click on share and copy the links. Then that's all. Kidding. Just go back and open your browser, and in the browser search bar you need to type SAVEFROM.net. Save from.net. The link's in the description. Okay, let's wait for it to come. Let fast come. Yeah, now you can see there's a search bar in this website. So many search bars. So god. In that search bar you gotta paste the link that you got. You see, after pasting it, you got the song with the download option. This is a website, not an app. You don't need to. It'll show you notifications to install, but you don't need to install it. See, you can even choose your video quality. I choose 720p. Yeah. Now I'm gonna click on download, and you can see that the video has started downloading, and you can see it getting downloaded in the notification bar. And let's wait for it getting downloaded. Hey guys, sorry the video cannot be downloaded because my net is low, but I have a previous downloaded video of Despacito lyrics. You can see Despacito lyrics has been downloaded. I took it from the internet. So guys, it's just not music videos that you can download. You can download any category, like gaming videos that cannot be downloaded, So there are some I'll show in YouTube. PewDiePie's drama life video cannot be downloaded. Just go to the search bar, search PewDiePie or Pewds, anything by drama life. No, not reaction, just drama life. You see, in the three dot menu, you'll just get the option of share, and go to share, and you'll do the same old process, copy link, and just download. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. As I said, it's my first YouTube video. Yeah, it's not my first video on YouTube. It's my first video on this channel. I had many channels, but I deleted videos on those channels. So guys, aiming for 100 likes. Yeah, that's enough. 100 likes is more. Yeah, it's good for me. 100 likes. We're aiming for 100, just 100 likes. So guys, please help me reach my aim. And do not forget to like this video. Smash the like button. Subscribe for new videos like this, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks guys, bye bye.